Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you the ways to insert video in Canva presentation. To insert video in Canva presentation, it's a very simple process. Make sure to stick with us right till the end of this video. First thing first, open up a browser and on the web address bar type in canva.com. When you type in canva.com, it's gonna take you to the home page looking like this. So you could go ahead and open up your current presentation, or you could open up a new one. So let me go with this one. Alright, so when I've actually added the following presentation, so now it's time for me to add the video. So what I'm gonna do is here, I'm gonna go ahead and tap on the toolbar icon. Right, next thing what I'm gonna do is, you could see this upload. So when you click on upload, now click on upload file. Here it's gonna ask you whether it's computer or whether it's in the file. So I'm gonna go ahead and locate the video that I've actually stored. So I'm gonna go with this one. So let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and select it from here. So you could see these are some of the videos. So you could see that. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna hold on to it and then drag it right, or you just go ahead and adjust the size and all that. So this way you'll be able to add video or input to your Canva presentation. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.